Hello, this is Dr. Song of New Covenant Academy. As we are at the midway to our capital campaign 2024-25, I want to give you a quick update on how we're doing, how much we have raised so far, and how much we need to continue to support the ministry known as New Covenant Academy. So far, we have received just about $60,000 in donation, and we are so grateful for all who have given. Yet, we are still far short of our goal of $150,000 that we want to raise this year. May I ask all those who have been contemplating giving to take action and give to a great cause. Every single penny that we generate through Capital Campaign will go right back into serving your children. None of it will be allocated to general funds. They will be used to fuel all the programs that we have described to you and will be describing in upcoming videos. So please, give to New Covenant Academy, a place where your children will benefit as a result of your giving. Thank you, and God bless you.